Every year across Igbo land, drums rise before dawn. Masks come alive. The air fills with colors, songs, and the spirit of the ancestors. These are not just festivals, they are time machines. Each dance, each ritual carries memories older than Nigeria itself. This is how Igbo keep their past breathing inside the present. For the Igbo, festivals are more than entertainment. They are renewal. They remind the people of who they are, where they come from, and who watches over them. Each celebration honors a divine force, whether it's Allah, the earth goddess, Ani, the protector of harvest, or ancestors who never truly die. Among all Igbo festivals, none shines better than Iri Ji, the New Yam Festival. It's not just about eating yam, it's Thanksgiving, a sacred moment to thank the gods for a fruitful harvest. In some towns, the king, Eze, takes the first bite, declaring the new season open. Only then can everyone else eat. It's a symbol of unity, reminding the people that food and life itself come from the same sacred earth. In Onitsha, Nnewi, and other ancient towns, Ofala Festival marks the glory of kingship. Once a year, the Obi steps out in royal splendor, adorned in red coral, lion-headed staff in hand. The crowd cheers, not just for the king, but for tradition itself, alive and unbroken. When masquerades come, the ancestors walk again. In Igbo belief, Mmanwu are not just performers, they are messengers between worlds. Each mask tells a story of courage, of justice, of unseen realm that still watches the living. Beyond the dance and color, the festivals teach. They remind the young to respect elders, to honor the earth, and to live truthfully. When the drums speak, they say more than music. They carry wisdom from generations past. In modern times, some festivals almost faded under religion and Western influence. But now, they are returning stronger, embraced by the young, promoted on social media, and recognized worldwide. The same youth who once called it old-fashioned now wears isiago and dance proudly to ogene beat. Every festival is a reunion between the living, the dead, and the unborn. The songs sung today are echoes of those sung 100 years ago. The same fire that lights today's dance will light the next generations too. Because culture, like a drum beat, never dies. It only changes rhythm. When the drums stop and the dust settles, what remains is pride. The knowledge that a people still remember their beginning. In every yam, every mask, every dance, the ancestors live again. This is not just celebration, it is remembrance.